Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Cash App account without using your phone number. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cash App application on your device and you will be asked to log into your account. Now you have two different options, either using your phone or your email. Now if you don't wish to use your phone, you can tap on the Use Email option at the bottom section and you will be asked to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that is associated with your account, and after entering this email, go ahead and tap on the next button. You will then be asked to check your inbox within this email address to find the verification code for you to log in. Just check your inbox and you will find the verification code sent from Cash App. Just enter this code within the next screen and then click on the login button, and once your identity has been verified, you will be logged into your account right away. And now you can immediately start using the Cash App application on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Cash App account without using your phone number. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.